Have you ever wondered if the laws of physics could actually break down? Today, we're exploring the top 10 places on Earth where physics doesn't seem to play by the rules. From mysterious gravity hills to bizarre phenomena that defy explanation, these locations will leave you questioning reality itself. Before we dive into these strange spots, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our journeys into the unexplained. The world is full of mysteries, and some places challenge everything we thought we knew about how the universe works. In this list, we'll uncover 10 locations where the normal laws of physics seem to bend or break, offering some of the most baffling experiences on Earth. Let's get started. 10. The Oregon Vortex, United States. In the forests of southern Oregon lies a 165-foot wide circular area where visitors experience mind-bending optical illusions and apparent shifts in gravitational pull. At the Oregon Vortex, people appear to change height depending on where they stand. Balls seem to roll uphill, and brooms stand on end. What makes this location particularly strange is that these effects persist even when visitors close their eyes, suggesting something beyond mere optical illusion. Scientific investigations have revealed unusual electromagnetic properties in the area, with equipment often malfunctioning within the vortex. Some researchers believe the anomalies may be caused by gases escaping from the Earth that refract light in unusual ways, while others point to gravitational anomalies created by the region's unique geological composition. The site was sacred to Native Americans, who called it forbidden ground, long before European settlers documented the strange phenomena. 9. The Hestilin Lights, Norway. Deep in Norway's Hestilin Valley, mysterious lights appear in the sky with no explanation that fits conventional physics. These luminous phenomena hover, float, and move with apparent intelligence, changing colors, and sometimes splitting into multiple orbs. Unlike many light phenomena, the Hestilin lights have been consistently documented since the 1940s and intensively studied by scientists since the 1980s. What makes these lights particularly baffling is their consistent behavior patterns combined with physical effects on the environment. They cause electromagnetic equipment disruptions and leave measurable traces on the ground. Researchers have detected unusual concentrations of aerosols and radioactive elements in the valley, suggesting these lights might result from a complex interaction between geological factors and atmospheric conditions. 8. Lake Keriche, Russia. Lake Keriche in Russia is so radioactive that an hour on its shore can deliver a lethal dose. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union dumped vast nuclear waste there, making it one of the most polluted places on Earth. Amazingly, some microorganisms survive by feeding on radiation, using radiolysis to split water molecules and convert radiation into energy instead of photosynthesis. This defies conventional biology, as radiation usually destroys life's molecules. Lake Keriche showcases extreme life adapting beyond known biological limits. 7. The Devil's Kettle Falls, United States. At Minnesota's Devil's Kettle Falls, half the Brule River vanishes into a pothole and never reappears. Despite tests with dye, GPS trackers, and ping pong balls, the water hasn't been found downstream or in nearby Lake Superior. This puzzles scientists because water shouldn't just disappear in a closed system. About 800 gallons per minute flow into the kettle, yet no large underwater outlets have been discovered. Some believe the water seeps through countless tiny cracks in the rock instead of a single channel. But this idea is controversial since such rock formations are unknown elsewhere. 6. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle, between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is known for mysterious ship and plane disappearances with no wreckage. Pilots report compasses spinning, instruments failing, and GPS errors. While storms and human error explain some cases, they don't account for modern aircraft lost in clear weather. Scientists suggest methane gas eruptions may cause sudden sinkings or disrupt electronics. The area's unique magnetic alignment might also contribute to these anomalies. 5. The Hutcherson Effect, Canada. In the 1980s, John Hutcherson in Vancouver discovered the Hutcherson Effect, where Tesla coils and electromagnetic devices caused objects to levitate, metals to soften or break spontaneously, and different materials to fuse without heat. These effects challenge basic physics, especially metals becoming soft at room temperature. Though controversial, researchers, including some from the Max Planck Institute, have observed strange phenomena in his lab. Some scientists think the combined electromagnetic fields might disrupt the quantum field, changing how atoms bond. If confirmed, this could force major changes in quantum mechanics and materials science. 4. The Bolivia Time Warp, South America. In a remote part of Bolivia's Andes, locals report watches running up to 20 minutes slower per day within a small area. GPS satellites also detect subtle time differences there, hinting at real space-time warping. The region sits on an ancient volcanic plateau, rich in rare earth minerals that create strong magnetic fields. Some scientists think these fields might cause tiny gravitational distortions, slowing time slightly as Einstein's relativity predicts. This rare natural spot may be one of the few places on Earth where time dilation can be observed without advanced equipment. 3. The Crooked Forest, Poland. Near Gryfino, Poland, a grove of about 400 pine trees, called the Crooked Forest, have trunks bent 90 degrees at the base before curving upward, all bending north in identical G-shapes. These bends formed when the trees were young around 1930, but no known forestry method can shape trees so precisely without killing them. Natural causes like wind or snow don't explain the uniform direction. Some think the trees were shaped for shipbuilding or furniture, but then abandoned. Others suggest strange causes like gravitational anomalies or electromagnetic effects from early Nazi military experiments, possibly disrupting the tree's natural growth response to gravity. 2. The Magnetic Hill, India. On a nondescript stretch of road near Leh in northern India, cars appear to roll uphill with their engines turned off, defying gravity in plain sight. Unlike many so-called mystery spots that rely on optical illusions, the magnetic hill phenomenon has been confirmed using precision instruments that show objects truly moving against the gravitational gradient. What makes this location particularly baffling is that standard explanations for gravity hills, usually involving misleading horizons creating optical illusions, fail to account for the measured uphill movement of objects regardless of viewing angle. The region sits near the confluence of powerful geological formations in the Himalayas, creating one of the strongest natural magnetic fields on Earth. Scientific expeditions have measured magnetic forces strong enough to pull cars weighing over a ton uphill at speeds of 20 kilometers per hour. Some physicists theorize this might represent a rare instance of quantum magnetic levitation occurring naturally on a macroscopic scale, though this would require rethinking fundamental assumptions about quantum effects being limited to microscopic systems. 1. Lake Baikal's time bubbles, Russia. Siberia's Lake Baikal, the world's deepest lake, shows unusual time bubbles where time flows slower in small areas, up to 1.7% difference. These stable and repeatable anomalies are linked to the lake's unique geology, sitting above an active rift in Earth's crust. Scientists believe this may create a natural weak spot in space-time, allowing effects usually seen near black holes to appear faintly. These are the most significant time distortions ever recorded on Earth, drawing ongoing international research. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.